How can I rebuild trust after miscommunicating? Hi, my name's Casey. I work for TechSmith, and I wanted to create a quick video showing you how I used Camtasia Online to create a video message to communicate with my clients to rebuild trust after I had accidentally quoted some wrong information, right? So, after you accidentally give out wrong information, there's a few steps that you want to take to rebuild that trust. You want to acknowledge and apologize first. You want to actively state, I made a mistake and I apologize for that. And this is what I'm going to do to move forward, right? You want to have transparent communication. You want to make sure that you are very transparent, very upfront about everything, including the error, right? You have to kind of fall on the sword, as it were. You want to clarify facts and have a consistent follow-up. So you want to make sure that whatever information you are giving now is accurate, good data, right? Then you want to make sure that you're consistently following up and you're making sure that any questions that the client has are being addressed. You also want to make sure that you're using either Camtasia or Camtasia Online or even Snagit Video to make a quick, clear video message. So I'm going to show you really quick how to do that here in Camtasia Online. So this is just at camtasia.techsmith.com. And I'm going to go ahead here and go to record. So I'm going to choose just to do my screen for right now, just to show you. And then in a moment, I'm going to fade into the actual message that I sent out. But I just want to show you how to set this up. So you could choose screen and camera, you could do just a camera, or you could do just screen. I'm going to choose to do just screen, and I'm going to choose just to share my tab right here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit share. And now this sets up my tab, and I can create a kind of quick way to go ahead and make a video. Then I would hit start recording from there.
Hi team, Casey here. Wanted to be very clear and straight up apologize because the last piece of information that I sent out was actually incorrect. I'm really sorry for the miscommunication, but that previous information that I shared was not accurate. So moving forward, I'll make sure to share the most up-to-date, most accurate figures available to me. But I just wanted to be frank with you, be honest, be upfront, and be clear. That previous information was not correct. This current information that I'm sharing with you now is the correct, most up-to-date version. So moving forward, I'll always make sure to share the most up-to-date piece of information.
So how can I rebuild trust after miscommunicating? You want to make sure that you acknowledge and apologize, give transparent communication, clarify the facts, and make sure that you're giving a consistent follow-up. And it's what's really helpful is to use to offer quick solutions with video messages, mainly with Camtasia, Camtasia Online, or with Snagit Video. All right, I hope this was helpful, guys. Thank you.